40 tons of sheet metal per week. This is the amount of material we process in our cutting shop. In a 2-shift operation, 30 employees produce all sheet metal parts for our entire production range. The cutting shop and its new machinery have allowed us to increase the production output. Parts produced here can be processed more easily and quickly than ever before. In compliance with the latest regulations, an efficient extraction system clears the air from smoke and dust. Special noise reduction features keep the noise level low. The logical workflow of storing, cutting and finishing makes it possible to achieve higher output with less machines. The fully automated depot houses up to 290 tons of steel. From here, the metal sheets are transported to the cutting line fitted with 3 gas cutting bridges. Sheet metals with a thickness of up to 300 millimeters are processed using plasma cutting, making it a key factor for the increased output. This process is 3 to 4 times faster than flame cutting. In addition, it reduces material distortion and allows cutting beveled edges directly. All following stages of work have been adjusted to the high speed: deburring, sandblasting, straightening and de-stressing. We have reduced waste by 15% thanks to more precise cutting. This is not only due to plasma cutting, but also to the comprehensive know-how of our members of staff. The combination of the latest production technology and highly qualified personnel is at the core of our production philosophy.